Entelexos, a product for embedding Power BI solutions very quickly, is proud to announce a new feature called Data Share. Sign in and show you how this data share works. Looking on the home screen, you'll see there's a lot of items on this page. A data share is a fabric-to-fabric sharing item. To see existing data shares, you can go to the Data Shares area on the Users Analytics page. Here, all your data shares will be shown and if they are accepted. Let's set up a data share and accept it. We're going to the admin section. We'll click down on the data shares area. Clicking on data shares, you'll see a new menu. Click create new to begin a new data share. Here you'll be presented with a dialog that allows you to click on a profile. This is set up prior to you setting up your environment. And with that connection profile, you're able to securely connect to a workspace. Clicking on the workspace allows you to then select various lakehouses that are existing inside your workspace. In this example here, we're going to use an external shared data lakehouse that has no schema attached to it. Clicking on the lakehouse and clicking on next will then take you to the next screen where we will read all the tables from the lakehouse for you. You can either share all tables as part of the schema, or you can share individual tables by selecting on the ones that you want. Once you've selected the tables that you want to share, you can click on next to move forward. Clicking on next will bring you to naming your data share. Worldwide importers. That's our data set, and we can add this is a really cool data share. You can then select people if you would like to add them directly to the data share. I can add myself to this directly, and then click on add to add that user directly to the data share. When I click on create, the data share will be created and listed in this area. You can always administer or change these settings by adding additional users to this data share directly using the admin page here as well by clicking on add users. Going to the data shares page, you see that now we have the worldwide importers. What this will now do is it'll actually then let me accept the invite and push me directly to the access. So click accepting invite, push me directly over to Fabric. Microsoft Fabric will require me to log in. Once I've logged in, I now can accept and review the external data share. I'm going to see that this is coming from PowerBI.tips into my Carlos Solutions tenant. Accept and review, and then I'll click it in here, my receiving lakehouse, which is also a lakehouse with no schema. Clicking on next, I'll select it to be entered into my tables area and hit next. It'll then show me all the different tables, but I may not want them named external because I can see the link is there. So I can then go in and I can easily edit each of the names and adjust them as needed. All the tables are now added and named this exactly the same way they were in the original source. I can then click apply to bring those tables in. Applying them will create a connection. We'll see our 4 tables. It'll then create the secure connections, link them together, and supply them all with Delta tables. And we can see they are all Delta shared tables directly through the links. Clicking on a single table will then access the data from an existing tenant. I hope you enjoyed this demo of data shares.